All right, I'm going to show you how these Stanley cups work. I saw a video where this lady had her drink in here with ice and her whole car burned up, and this was still in her cup holder and the ice was still cold. So these things supposedly work pretty good. As a matter of fact, I think they bought her a car because of that. So anyway, on top you've got this thing with a little straw in it. See that? So let me show you how this works. You take that off. So here's your straw, right? Goes through there like that. So if you want, you can twist this. You're going to see there's a hole there, right? See it? But if you go all the way around, you can block it. That way the liquid doesn't pop out. And then when you're ready to drink, you flip her back, and then you can put your straw through like that, right? Then you set it right on top here, like this, and then you just give it a little twist. And bam, Bob's your uncle. You're ready to rock. And I think this is like 32 ounces, so it's a lot. Check it out. I highly recommend these. I think they're a great product, and you can get them on Amazon. I'll put a link in there for you. Peace out.